Alright, this is a wedding film that I shot in Detroit, and one of the first times I tried out CineDream, and I ended up absolutely loving the color grade on this one, so I'm just going to show you the after, and then show you a clip of how it was actually graded. Alright, so this clip specifically, I'm going to open up CineDream, and we'll show you right here. This is kind of what it looked like before. Everything was shot on Canon C70 and C-Log 2, and I went with option 4 here after doing the input color profile. Just made some subtle adjustments here with the temperature, the tint, exposure, tone curve, film color, and really liked how that looked. And then as we move over to the final grade, we went with the film print codec 2383 LUT. Just did some small adjustments here, and I made our way down here to the bottom. Um, Slight highlight roll off, faded the film just a bit because it was a little bit too contrasty. Of course, the bloom, had to add that in just because it just makes those Christmas lights absolutely pop. And it looked amazing. Just like slight halation there and some grain just to give it a little more that subtle filmic look and get rid of a lot of that um, digital sharpness. So once again, um, that's what it looked like before with the initial color changes, and this is what it looked like after. Um, and we'll go ahead and play that back again. I did go through and do some subtle changes just because the lighting was just slightly different with these couple shots versus the group shots here. Um, but again, like with uh, the options here in CineDream, I absolutely loved how everything turned out. It's just, honestly, it's just the perfect color grade that, for my tastes, I absolutely love how this turned out. And before I tried out um, CineDream here, I probably tried, I don't know, 3 or 4 other just like regular color grade edits like I normally do with wedding films. It just wasn't there. So I tried out CineDream, and I mean, it just like nailed it. They're like very small, subtle changes that I had to make to the clips, but overall, I think it was amazing.